In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting any app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app available at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its corners, scale it, and after finding a perfect size, let go. To turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this blue line at the top and manage all of them however you want to. For example, by clicking on those 2 arrows pointing at each other, you can also turn your app into a bubble. By clicking on this X on the right, you can close your window completely. If you want to, you can also close your window by swiping it in the background. Sorry, misclick. Or by turning it into a bubble and dragging your bubble to remove section at the bottom. You can even pick multiple apps. Open all of them in pop-up view. And then enjoy operating in all of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!